Alright, with it being the last day we have the boys before school start, we're gonna go out and ride in the trails we cleaned out the other day. The girls are coming too today. You excited?
Yeah!
Okay, let's go do this.
Look at it!
Hands up when you go down the hill, huh? Everybody got their hands up! Hands up!
The water!
Yeah, look at the water. Jacob's excited because it's raining out and he gets to drive in the rain. Look at him back there. Having a good old time. Joel Cat's riding shotgun in the Kubota today.
There is only a shotgun.
Yeah, there is only a shotgun. There's no back seat in here, huh? Lola's driving. Lola's driving Grandma's buggy. Jacob's going through the trail. Yeah, it's really starting to rain out. Jacob's probably getting really wet. So we gotta go around the last trail the last time and park it. This is that trail that we couldn't even go down or you couldn't even see yesterday. Yeah, so we cleared it right out. Rain's gonna ruin Jacob's day. He had planned on riding for a long time, but now that it's raining, we gotta go home. Good thing we're not getting wet, huh? It's nice being inside here. We've got a windshield wiper, air conditioner, radio. Pretty fancy. This is the first time Joel's experienced a roll down crank window. Yeah, just think, Joel, we used to have to do that in the car. That's how we used to roll down the car windows.
Yep.
So how was it riding in the rain, dude?
Great.
Great?
I'm soaking wet though.
Yeah. The trail's pretty nice with them cleaned out.
Yeah.
The coolest thing about this is when you start it up, it sounds like you're starting up a semi. Ooh. Say goodbye, Kubota. All right, everybody in the Jeep, everybody in the Jeep. Everybody in the Jeep, Jeep, Jeep.
I'm sweating.
We're playing in the rain.
I'm not worried.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
No.
What are you doing?
No.
What are you doing?
Oh, you guys, your mommy is gonna be so mad.
All right, everybody in the Jeep, please.
Okay, shake your boots.
All right, ladies, let's go in the Jeep, please. You are wet. You're soaking wet. Fun playing in the rain?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Happy. Boots wet.
You all wet?
Yeah. Boots wet.
You got your boots wet?
Yeah.
All right, so it's almost lunchtime, and Jacob here is cooking everybody lunch. How about that, huh? Soul Cat's just watching a movie. What are you watching? Power Rangers. Girls are playing with the balls over there. You guys almost ready for lunch? Good dribbling skills. You guys playing dodgeball or what? Playing dodgeball? You playing catch? You playing baseball? You want a glove? Uh-oh. Where's the gloves at? Is it out there? Now what are you doing? You're running? Now what are you doing, Amelia? You playing with your dolls now? Yep, it's buckled. Yep, you gotta unbuckle it so you can buckle your baby in, huh? You need help? Well, one box wasn't enough, so we had to make another box. Joel didn't get hardly any. Kids are growing, so not much has changed over the past 2 years. The girls are taking a nap, but while they take a nap, we don't get to rest. We basically have to attack the clothes. So we're gonna sit out here, watch our hunting shows, and get the clothes folded before they wake up. And then hopefully me and the boys can do something while the girls are napping.